Welcome, sixth graders, to your final task of the 3D Puzzle Design Notebook. And we're going to do some reflection questions today just to wrap up the project that you're now completing. So after you do that, you have an essential question of, how have I developed a growth mindset by completing this project? So we'll go to our design notebook to look at the questions here. So you should at this point have tasks 1 through 5 completed. You can click on task number 6. And here's your central question that you have to answer by the end of this task. And then your 5 is evaluating questions. So the first one is, what was your biggest challenge working on the 3D cube puzzle? Whether it was on Tinkercad, or those of you who aspired to do the wood blocks, or maybe it was even before that when you did the research with criteria and constraints, or whatever it is, what was your biggest challenge? Talk about what was challenging about it and how did you handle that? How did you overcome that? The next question, what are 2 examples of success that you had? So same thing, thinking about whether it's through Tinkercad, the criteria, constraints, the wood blocks. What are 2 things that you did well and were successful at? Try to be detailed in your answer. The third question is, why is it important for an engineer to be aware of the criteria and constraints before beginning a project? So these were 2 of your vocab words, so feel free to look those up if you don't remember what they are. But basically, you had certain rules and specifications that you had to follow between the number of blocks, the sizes, number of pieces. All of those things are criteria constraints. Why is it important to be aware of them before you begin the project? You'll type your answer in on the side. And the last 2 questions are the orange aspire to do or should do questions. How does using a program like Tinkercad benefit you when creating designs? And the last one, why is it important to document your work in the design notebook? So my hope is that you give an answer more than to show my work. Try to be a little bit more in-depth about the things you're showing and why it's important that you're doing it in a design notebook as engineers. So when you're done with these evaluating questions, you can do your task summary down here. So what did you learn and an example of success you had? And then you're done with task number 6, done with the design notebook. Congratulations.